Hey, Vince here, and welcome to my new channel. This channel, I plan to spend a lot of time talking about this one topic, which I'm super passionate about, and that is people management. I've been in management now for about 6.5 years, and I've learned a lot during that time. I've also made a lot of mistakes during that time too. So I hope by recording some of these videos and sharing my experiences with through these videos that it can enable you to help pave a smoother path for you to becoming a successful people manager. All right, let's talk about today's topic, which is self-doubt. Every new manager experiences this. They call it the imposter syndrome because you feel like you don't belong. You feel like every decision that you're making is wrong, and you feel like you're a fraud. You feel like everything that you've accomplished before this to bring you to this exact point was all just dumb luck. You cannot let self-doubt cripple you or change the way you manage or change the way you act, because being a good people manager, you have to be super authentic. And if you don't really mean what you say or mean what you do, it's going to reflect, and people are going to see that. People are going to see through you. And no one expects a new manager to know everything. The best thing to do is ask a lot of questions. Ask managers that are around you, ask your peers, ask people that actually report to you. I think that will help build stronger relationships than rather than faking it to think that you know everything and everything's okay. I think people will see through that. Again, being authentic is super, super important. So if you don't know, ask questions. And if ever anybody has given you the advice of fake it until you make it, don't do it. People will see through it. If you don't know what you're doing, just ask questions. You've got to be authentic. I've said authentic many, many times, and that is the number one thing to becoming a good people manager, is to be yourself, to be truthful to yourself, and to be truthful to the people that you manage, because that trust builds camaraderie, that builds the culture, that builds your whole team. So if you start by faking it until you make it, you're going to lose that trust. You're not going to build that strong bond between you and the team. So the takeaways to fight self-doubt: remember that there is always someone in your corner. You have the skill set, you've proven that you have the potential and the mindset to take on the role, or else that position would have never been given to you. So have the confidence there to know that you can move forward and do the job well. Ask a lot of questions. No one expects a new manager to know everything. So leverage your team members, leverage your managers, leverage your peers. It's a great way to build a strong relationship from the get-go. Always be genuine. Don't ever pretend to be someone else you're not. And that's my first video. Thank you for watching. I hope it'll help you in your daily life in being a people manager. And I hope to create more videos like this in the not too distant future.